y'all must be tripping, sitting while you're steady sipping. Look in my direction, talking like a bunch of women. You must be feminine, cause I can't figure men when they sit and spit the venom. Get robbed like Little Kimmin. I fell off in this club, trying to make it home and cut. And obviously you fell off in it to get fucked up. And that's what's gon' happen. Fuck the yapping, get the scrapping. And I ain't by myself, I came in with my mini mackin'. Crip niggas got my backin'. Come on, let's get it crackin'. Dog niggas got my frontin'. You don't wanna see me coming. And I ain't wearing boots, strictly Chucks and sagging dickies. And I don't really drink, but I hit you in the mouth with a thing of Mickey's. Y'all niggas sporting hickeys, y'all niggas must be fags. Cause you really begging me to come get in that ass. Let me call up, yes sir, we need these lights out. And you gon' really know the feeling to get stomped out. Don't let your mouth be the reason you get stomped out. In the middle of the flow, getting stomped out. And you don't know me, motherfucker, you get stomped out. Stomped out, stomped out. Don't let your mouth be the reason you get stomped out. In the middle of the flow, getting stomped out. And you don't know me, motherfucker, you get stomped out. Stomped out, stomped out.
Now you really don't want no problems with me like Lil Scrappy. Put heat to your dome and have your brains on my khakis. Like Ice Cube, nigga, I make these fools bow down or leave them dead in the street, strictly for them crows to chow down. All this hollow tips and clips is what I stuff in them. And them street niggas that's bout it, best believe I fucks with them. Keep the community shook, they always think I'm up to no good. Even though I'm a vet, I'm still active like PG's in the hood. I boss none but a gun, quick to cock, aim and shoot. Put bullet holes in motherfuckers the size of grapefruits. The block exterminator, stay spraying them down like prayer rugs in a moss. I be laying them down. They get bagged in body size ziplocs, then coffin box. Then 6 feet the opposite way they get dropped. We can keep it old school, fuck bringing them pumps out and do it young buck style and get that ass stomped out.
Niggas, they ain't fucking with us, we pull them choppers out. Ain't no rapper fucking with me, fuck you talking about? I don't give a fuck who you is, fuck where you from, get your style hung. Shot to death with one gun, I bleed niggas like I bleed the streets of Filmo. Get the fuck out the game, what the fuck you still here for? I know I'm saying fuck a lot, that's because I fuck a lot. You get shot at in the streets, I guess you could say you duck a lot. Fools talking greasy when they really beneath me. I hate rappers, so I'ma name my album Beef 3. And I ain't talking DVD, I'm talking you better bow down every time you see this G. I'm the reaper in your dreams, I'm a walking nightmare. Your name ain't with the cut gang, get whooped out your night gears. Yeah, I swear that I'm the best at this. What I spit, I turn heads like the Exorcist. Easy.
Don't let your mouth be the reason you get stomped out. In the middle of the flow, getting stomped out. And you don't know me, motherfucker, you get stomped out. Stomped out, stomped out. Don't let your mouth be the reason you get stomped out. In the middle of the flow, getting stomped out. And you don't know me, motherfucker, you get stomped out. Stomped out, stomped out. Now you don't want no beef, it's better just to chew and spit. And it's unfortunate you don't know who you're fucking with. Call up dudes, come on, let's get him. He brought those heaters with him. Street sweeping, get him, and have your face just missing. You best to pay attention, walking in the club like you can't get drugged. And I did not come in this bitch tonight just to get mugged. You claiming grip of blood, GDV, yo, what's up? Go ahead and throw it up, but keep your eyes straight and your mouth on shut. You think I give a fuck what's your name in the hood you claim? Whether you run with the gang or itty bitty nigga trying to get your fame. Motherfucker, I'll stomp you out in the middle of the club, no doubt. It ain't no way, no how. Yo, niggas can save you now. Just walk straight through the crowd, ask a nigga what the fuck's up now. And if his boys get loud, go ahead and lay him out. No time for talking now, when niggas get to walking out, pulling and popping out, let things go and stomping out. Don't let your mouth be the reason you get stomped out. In the middle of the flow, getting stomped out. And you don't know me, motherfucker, you get stomped out. Stomped out, stomped out. Don't let your mouth be the reason you get stomped out. In the middle of the flow, getting stomped out. And you don't know me, motherfucker, you get stomped out. Stomped out, stomped out.